Ever pondered the vast capabilities of artificial intelligence tools? Considered how they might transform a simple text into a visually stunning image or even an animation? Well, the future is here, and it's more accessible than you might think. Artificial intelligence, often shortened to AI, has become a hot topic on platforms like YouTube, especially with the advent of text-to-image generators like Midjourney Leonardo AI and Blue Willow. These revolutionary tools possess the ability to churn out mesmerizing artwork, ready to captivate audiences on social media or in the entertainment world. Picture this: you input a simple text prompt into the Midjourney Leonardo AI tool. In less than 2 minutes, this AI wizardry spits out an intricate, engaging image. But the magic doesn't stop there. With a few more clicks, you can animate the image, make it talk, or even transform it into a three-dimensional world. And the best part, all this wizardry costs absolutely nothing. Now let's delve into the specifics. How exactly do you harness these AI tools? First things first, select your AI tool of choice. For instance, Genmo, an image-to-animation video generator, is a great place to start. Create a new project and simply input your text prompt. Watch in awe as Genmo transforms your words into a dynamic animation. Alternatively, you might opt for animated drawings. This tool focuses on bringing characters to life. Begin by uploading an image with a character. Next, remove the background and adjust the character's joint connections as needed. Voila! You've just created an entertaining animation. Lastly, there's Laypix AI. This tool takes a slightly different approach by creating a depth map based on an uploaded photo. This depth map serves as the basis for animating the image. Simply upload a photo and let Laypix do the rest. In essence, AI tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, Genmo, animated drawings, and Laypix AI offer innovative ways to bring static images to life. They transform simple text prompts into engaging animations, create depth maps for 3D animations, and even animate characters for unique and entertaining videos. To recap, the steps are straightforward. Choose your AI tool, input a text prompt or upload an image, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. In less than 2 minutes, you can create stunning and engaging visuals. All thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. So, the next time you find yourself needing to create a captivating image or animation, remember these AI tools. With a little creativity and a few clicks, you can harness the power of AI to make your visuals come alive.